Although fixed-wing drones are quicker and more efficient than multi-rotor models, they do have their shortcomings. Atop the list is durability, since the drones often face irreparable damage if they hit an object. That's where EPFL Switzerland has stepped in with its new creation, the Swift drone. The Swift, which stands for Shockproof Woodpecker-inspired Flying Tensegrity, is built to absorb impact energy with a protective grid made up of taut cables. It takes its inspiration from the woodpecker's skull, which includes a bone that connects to its rigid beak and wraps around the head. The arrangement provides space for the brain while pushing away any impact energy. The Swift drone includes bent carbon fiber strips that replicate the bone, while carbon fiber rods make up the beak. A motor, electronic components, and push propellers are suspended by rubber cables inside the brain of the drone. The suspension provides enough room to move 22 centimeters on impact. The crash mitigation technology also extends to the wings. The drone setup replicates the woodpecker's network of soft tissue connections in the shoulder. Just as it helps the bird withstand compression, the drone's 12 carbon fiber rods and elastic cables connect to the fuselage, keeping the wings connected to the drone through impact. All in all, the drone's 2 impact mitigation systems can reduce crash impact by up to 70% compared to other similarly sized drones.